What's up, everybody? It's Michael here from Ford Truck Enthusiasts, coming to you from the Galpin Auto Sports Hall of Customs. Galpin Auto is one of the biggest Ford dealerships here in Southern California, and Galpin Auto Sports is their legendary custom car and truck building kind of side of the company. You can do everything from carb legal supercharger installs up to custom builds. And so check this one out. We're going to kind of go through all the Ford stuff that they have here. This is the Fox Hunt 2, which was featured on the Discovery Channel Car King show, which is obviously inspiration, which was done as an homage to the original Fox Hunt for the Smokey and the Bandit franchise. This is a 5-liter F-150 XLT with a Roush Stage 2 supercharger on it. But just checking out the details. This is my first time seeing it in person, and it's even cooler than if you've seen it on the show. Wider fender flares, 70s multi-tone paint, the classic KC lights, these kind of turbine wheels with the color matched. The paint is gorgeous. Check out the seats with the 70s. Look, we all have parents or grandparents who had that as a couch, which looks pretty great. Galpin logo. Oh, it's even got the CB antenna. You got your art over there. This thing looks, Roush exhaust as well, full Roushed up. That looks super cool. All right, going over here, you guys, we have a variety of different Ford trucks and old and new Broncos. 2021 Raptor, 37-inch tires on 20-inch wheels with custom vinyl work. Over here we've got the 21 Ford Ranger. That's the RTR package, ready to rock. So fender flares, Fox coils, custom wheels, graphics, looks good. Over here we have a new Ford Maverick with a little bit of a custom. Let's see what this is XLT, so pretty base on the inside, but we got some custom wheels and tires, 17-inch wheels. Those look pretty cool. Love that paint color, by the way. Wow, that looks awesome. Here we go, the classic bouncing Bronco, sponsored by Galpin, right next to a 2-door hardtop first edition Bronco. Ooh, number 3. Oh, these look so good. So with the first edition, this is going to have everything: leather, upgraded interior, upgraded features and amenities. Of course, the Sasquatch package is built in, the bigger engine, the 2.7 twin turbo V6, which I have gotten to drive, and it is definitely the one to get. Here we go. Here's another. We got the 4-door soft top. Look at these. Oh, 38-inch tires, Nitto grapplers on 17-inch wheels. 3-inch coilover lift. Wow. And of course in race red, I believe. I don't think that's the metallic one. Yeah, race red. I have that color on my Mustang, and it looks great with these black insets. Oh, look at that hood. That is super cool. Extra venting back there, and looks like they don't have the fender flares on. So you just look how meaty these tires look. Definitely getting a ticket for driving these in some states. And then here we go. We got a classic Bronco over here. Ooh, 66 Gulf Bronco. This thing looks awesome. Check out the long tubes under there, you guys. This is a 540 horsepower 351. Woo, I bet you this thing sounds mean. Classic Gulf livery. Corbeau race seats. Yeah, this is definitely not your stock Bronco. All right, guys, check out this custom Lincoln Navigator. It's got kind of wheels that are very reminiscent of the Sasquatch package, actually. The BF Goodrich all-terrain tires Oh no, they're SVT wheels, my apologies. So 17-inch SVT wheels, 35-inch tires. So very similar setup to what you're gonna get on the Sasquatch. But check it out, this thing, it's got the Stealth PPF vinyl wrap. And what Stealth does is it takes the whatever color that you have and it makes it look like a satin or kind of a matte look to it. And that's what the Stealth PPF does. And it's a really cool product. And seeing it in person here, this is obviously, I think this is the metallic white that Ford offers. And again, it's kind of got satined out. And this thing looks really cool with the two-tone. Definitely got your Stormtrooper vibe going on. Ski racks and everything. Yeah, this thing looks cool. And so as the cousin to the Ford Expedition, you're gonna have the 3.5 EcoBoost as the power plant. Got all the heated and cooled seats, probably massaging as well. Looking really cool. Shelby GT500 carbon fiber track pack edition. Let's see what if there's anything, if this is a particular VIN number. Oh yeah, production number 5. Absolutely gorgeous. It looks brand new. So with the carbon fiber track pack, you're gonna get the rear seat delete out back. 5.2 liter Predator motor, making 760 horsepower, mated to a dual clutch transmission. I've driven the standard version of the GT500 and it's so absolutely quick. And what you do by putting in carbon fiber wheels, you're reducing the rotating mass on these things. So you just get, reducing, 40 pounds just at the wheels is gonna make the car feel dramatically lighter. And I can't wait to drive a carbon fiber track pack someday. It's on my bucket list, but amazing car. And this one just looks still brand new. Here we have a new Mustang Mach-E. You can see here by checking out the badge, you see how it says Mach-E 4. That means that this is an all-wheel drive version, but it's the standard battery. And I think, from what I can tell, in terms of custom stuff, I think the only thing that's custom on this one is the wheels themselves, which I don't think these are factory offered, and they look pretty cool. Pony logo. Yeah, this is, I don't think they offer Yokohama tires, and I don't think that's a factory option either. It looks pretty cool, but otherwise this is all pretty stock stuff. And when you get the premium edition, you can see the leather in there, the black fender flares. What's actually neat about the design of this thing is that with the black up here and the black down here, it kind of reduces the overall side profile of the vehicle, kind of hiding how tall it is. And last but certainly not least, we have a Gulf livery style Ford GT, Ford's Supercar. Okay folks, there we have it, the Galpin Auto Sports House of Customs. Taking a look at some things we've seen before and some new customs. I've had these folks install exhaust components and seats in prior Mustangs personally, so you can do everything from simple upgrades to massive customs, at least in my experience, and I am personally a pretty big fan of what this company does. And the quality of their work, even if I don't always love their particular designs, but still, this thing is just so cool. I would love to have something like that. I love those wheels, turbine wheels. Wow, they look awesome. All right, thanks for watching.